better quality, lower cost, and advanced decision support, all brought together by the convergence of biology, technology, and interconnectivity. That's the power of big data, a whole new way to look at healthcare.
At Verizon, we believe that the world's biggest challenges deserve even bigger solutions. And it all starts with one patient and one piece of information.
In the audience here today, and I'd just like to say it's a real honor to serve with such people that have that kind of passion to improve people's lives. So what I think makes this a transformational moment for digital healthcare is that the barriers to innovation in this industry are finally coming down. We now have a network that can handle the bandwidth demands of sending MRIs, X-rays, and CAT scans over the internet. We're working with one company called Qi Imaging to put a radiology platform in the cloud that takes two-dimensional images and enhances them with software to get to 3D or even 4D, so you can see a heart beating or track the growth of a tumor over time. We're actively working with the FDA to get clearance on our mHealth platform, which will give clinicians and patients a better tool for managing chronic diseases. Between that and our HIPAA-enabled cloud platform, we have a secure, private way for patients, doctors, and insurance companies to exchange information and share medical records in a mobile environment. With big data analytics, we're helping the government and other payers root out fraud in the healthcare system. In a report to Congress 3 weeks ago, HHS cited the fact that Verizon Systems was up and running within 60 days. In the first year, it processed over 1 billion claims and saved the government $3 for every dollar invested. In another case, we used our system to analyze 2.5 million insurance claims in a single day and found more than 13,000 suspicious claims, representing more than $200 million in fraud. Technology can also spread scarce medical expertise across the country. We're working with a company called HealthSpot, which is launching right here at CES. They're creating what you might call a virtual examining room. Basically a private kiosk that can be installed at a big box store, a pharmacy, or in any of our companies. It comes equipped with a complete telehealth platform so you can video conference with your doctor, access all your medical records, and use integrated diagnostic tools to capture your vital signs and other data all in real time. We're also using technology to close the gaps in access to healthcare. Over 50% of what the government spends on preventable conditions like diabetes or poor nutrition goes to underserved communities. We've signed on as the technology sponsor for a project called the Clinton Health Matters, which was launched by the William J. Clinton Foundation. Over the next 3 years, we'll go into medically disadvantaged communities around the country and do health makeovers that will put better tools for managing health in the hands of physicians and patients. Our first project is in Coachella Valley, California, a community and 70% of children are living in poverty. We already have people on the ground in Coachella to figure out how to deploy practical solutions that will address these disparities. Our objective is to make these communities into a working laboratory for creating the healthcare solutions of the future. So I hope you get the idea about the life-changing things that we can accomplish when we bring together the passion of the technology of broadband networks. At Verizon, we know that to really move this industry forward, the whole ecosystem needs to be involved in the innovation process. We've seen that process in action at our innovation centers in Waltham, Mass. And in San Francisco, where we work with product developers to embed LTE into new devices and machines. We're convinced that we can use this collaborative model to create billions of dollars of social benefit and grow the market at the same time. What we need is for the best minds in the technology industry to figure out how to tap these networks' capabilities to change the world for the better. That's why today I'm pleased to announce the Verizon Powerful Answers Award. We're challenging the technology industry to come up with innovative applications, devices, and solutions that take advantage of our converged mobile, video, and cloud platforms to drive positive social change. To accelerate this process, we will award a total of $10 million with top awards of $1 million to the innovations that provide the most powerful answers in the field of healthcare, education, and sustainability. We'll work with an independent panel of experts to judge these entries. We'll also work with the winners to help them bring their ideas to market and make sure we do the maximum amount of good in the shortest amount of time. We'll open this formal submission process later this quarter. In the meantime, we've created a website where you can register to get updates as we get this rolling. For this to succeed, we need this great industry to get involved. So, one of the great leaders of this great industry, Gary Shapiro, I'd like to ask you to come join us back on stage now. Gary, you have been a real leader in urging this country to use ninja innovation. So we're glad to have you join the panel that will evaluate these ideas and represent the Consumer Electronics Association on the advisory board. And I hope you'll invite us back next year because we would love to showcase the winners in some of these applications in a forum like this.
Well, thank you, Lowell, and thanks for this great invitation, a great honor, and doing some real good, making a difference. The vision that you presented forth today is literally changing the world. And I am honored to accept your offer of participating and helping judge. And we love our partnership with Verizon. You're a great member, and you're a great participant in the industry. And we're so thrilled, and I'm personally thrilled to hear what you've presented today. Thank you for a great keynote, and thank you, Verizon.
Just one last thing for me then. I really believe that we are at a tipping point where it comes to using these powerful technologies to address life's big challenges. Clearly the technology is there, the vision is there, the leadership is there. What we need now is the creativity and innovation to put this all together, and I personally can't wait to see what this incredible industry comes up with. So thank you all very much.